Welcome back, everybody. Double Stack 1911. Today, I'm trying something a little bit new. I want to talk about my wish list. So every so often, I'm going to publish a wish list of pistols that I would like to purchase that I don't already have. So today on my wish list, I am wanting to purchase a pistol for my everyday carry or EDC. Today, my EDC, there's nothing wrong with it. I pretty much carry the Prodigy 4 1/4, and I put a toolless guide rod in there, and there's nothing wrong with this pistol. Have the O-Sight SE on there. That dot performs fine. It's okay. It doesn't really give me a lot of awe, so I don't want to say that there's anything wrong with the Prodigy. However, I did, and by the way, pistol's unloaded. There's nothing in there. Okay? I did purchase another pistol that I really love. I love shooting this thing. I really like it. It is one of my favorite pistols. My Platypus is my most favorite pistol. And I think some of you have seen that. And again, this is unloaded. There's nothing in there. You can see it's not loaded. I purchased it and then I realized it was a little bit too heavy. It's all metal. It's a 4-inch plus barrel. Great size. I would carry it a lot, but sometimes when you're a little bit on the heavy side, your weight shifts. And when you have a heavier pistol, it kind of pulls down your belt, those type of things. And it's a little bit difficult for me. Got a little dirt on me there. I've been shooting this gun. It's time to get it cleaned. So now, the pistol that's actually on my wish list that I want for my carry gun is the new XP3C from Fusion Firearms. I think it's a 3-inch barrel. I think they don't have the magwell. So usually on a carry gun, you don't want the magwell because you're going to be printing. My understanding, same trigger, same everything that you're used to. And I'm really looking forward to purchasing that pistol. I hope that the price is right. I paid, 900 some doll hairs for this. I think that's a good price. And actually for the price, it may be the best pistol in that price range. As you can see, one of the things I also said I was going to talk about was support. I kind of opened a support case on the Fusion XP Pro. After a while, I think I might have like 3,000 or 4,000 rounds to this thing. But as you can see on the barrel, the coating, which I believe is DLC coating, is starting to wear away there. You could see on the barrel too as well, there's starting to be some, it's going away. And it doesn't affect performance or anything, but now I don't really like to purchase pistols that the barrel is anything other than chrome or stainless steel because this tends to happen. I did open up a support case with Fusion saying, hey, my barrel's doing this. You got some paint, or can you ship me another barrel and then I'll mail you this back? They pretty much said it was a wear item. However, if I ship the barrel back in, they'll ship me either a new one or they'll coat that for me. And I did not want to do that, right? If you've been watching any of my videos, I hate to send stuff in first. I don't like to send things in unless I get the other thing first. Then I can send that back because while I'm waiting on them to send me a barrel, I would prefer to be at the range practicing and shooting with it. I do shoot with this quite a bit. However, I don't really enjoy shooting the Prodigy. This is just shooting the gun. It's not really fun for me. And I really think that when I get when the 3C is available, assuming it's going to be at a good price, I plan on purchasing that black. They're supposed to have options for it to be ported as well. I'm not going to do that. I just want the 3C. My understanding, it's like a Glock 19 handle. They do take Glock mags, and I'm really excited to, purchase that pistol. I really want it. I love Fusion Firearms. I think that they're great products for that price, right? I'm not trying to say it's, it's staccato level or anything like that. And by the way, I've never shot a staccato, so I just know what other people are saying. But these pistols are really good. It fits my hand well. I know that they changed the stippling there a little bit on the new pistols. I don't have a problem with the existing stippling. The mag release is fine. The only problem, and I wouldn't really even call it a problem, that I have with this pistol is the extended slide release. When I'm shooting, I tend to go like this. And a lot of times, because I'll rest my thumb on the safety, my thumb is also holding down the extended mag release. So a lot of times I won't get locked back on an empty mag. That's my fault, right? It's not the pistol's fault. It's just how I was born, because I'm resting my finger right on that slide stop. So sometimes I don't get locked back, and I'll try to remember to kind of have my thumb upwards a little bit. But lock back at the range really isn't a big thing for me. It'll actually show me whether or not I'm jerking the gun or anything, because when it's empty and I go to shoot, if I go like this, okay, I know that I'm not shooting properly. Also, I have a plate on here. Someone did ask me a question about this before, and I must have said it was direct mount, but it's not. I do have a plate that goes on here. My understanding is that the 3C will also use the same plate system as, the XP Pro. So my understanding is that the 3C will be just like this, except for it'll be a 3-inch barrel. And I think that the grip might be the same if you take off the mag well. I'm not sure. But if it's a little bit shorter, I'm okay with it, because it'll be a concealed carry gun. I do prefer a larger handle. That's why I do own a Glock 45, because it has the 19 slide and the 17 grip. I would hope that the 3C will kind of follow that motto a little bit, or at least have the same type of grip. My understanding is that the grip will be aluminum and the frame will be steel, and of course the barrel and slide are steel. So that's what I'm looking forward to. That's what's on my wish list. I want to know what's on your wish list. What are you looking at? If it's something that I actually own, I'll talk about it. If it's something that's also on my wish list, I will let you know. But for now, I'm looking for my next purchase to be the Fusion XP3C. Can't wait to have it. Hope the price is right. Even if it's less than $2,000, I think it probably should be a pretty good price. My understanding, it's also supposed to maybe ship with the 15-round Glock 19 mags. So that'd be great, because here in the state of Illinois, we cannot have mags that are greater than 15 rounds. So when we go to order pistols and we have it shipped to an FFL, if they ship it with more than the 15-round mag, some of the FFLs won't take delivery. Some of them will take delivery, but they'll take the mags and they won't give you a replacement. So, is what it is, but that'll be great if they ship with the 15-round mags. I did hear something about some Glock 19 mags that take 19 or 20 or something like that, and I'm hoping that they only ship with the 15-round mags, at least for my preference, because I don't want to purchase a gun that the part of the price is in those mags, even though Glock mags do not cost that much. So, hey, tell me again what you guys think. What's on your wish list? What do you think about the Fusion XP3C? Of course, from what you heard about it. Thanks. Have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe.